They tried to kill me in the rain. Tried to lay me down, and so I ducked and ran away. Are you gonna get on that? Bitch, get your butt on there. Get. She's not getting on? Why is he doing that? Put a gun up to my face.
She was lurking on me and she probably
No, I was doing gas, you weirdo.
Oh, but my weirdo? Well, I was doing gas.
No, I was doing gas!
No,
Were you doing gas? I was doing gas!
I opened the door.
I won't freaking catch a case when I find this mother trucker and I lay him in his grave. Prison. Oh. All these freaking razor blades. I want to know, if I tell you a secret, will you keep it? I won't ever be the same. Toast?
Good job.
Well, I trusted you and you reply like that? I bit the apple. Toast is the main character. And we're just living in his world. The freaking apple. I'm surrounded by some snakes.